Hi everyone, in this video I will explain two recent PYQs based on properties of binomial coefficients. C1 PYQ, sigma r is equal to 1 to 9 r plus 3 by 2 power r 9 cr is equal to alpha into 3 by 2 whole power 9 minus beta. Alpha beta belongs to capital L, then alpha plus beta whole square is equal to dash. Problem was given on April 3rd 2025, shift 1. See the solution. Now let us consider left hand side of the given summation. This can be written as sigma r is equal to 1 to 9. First term I am writing r into 9 cr, that is r into 9 cr. Still 1 by 2 power r is there, therefore that can be written as 1 by 2 whole power r. Just I wrote first term. In the second term 3 constant term taken outside the sigma. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 9 cr, still 1 by 2 power r is there, that can be written as 1 by 2 whole power r. Just sigma a plus b, that can be written as sigma a plus sigma b. By using that property I wrote this. Now to calculate the value of the first summation, I want to use this formula. So here I set the procedure to write down the properties of the binomial coefficients. You go through them. So this property r is equal to 1 to n r into ncr x power r minus 1, that can be written as n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1. So here r is equal to 1 to 9, r into 9 cr, we needed half to the power of r minus 1. Therefore I am separating 1 half. Let us write 1 by 2 taken outside the sigma, r is equal to 1 to 9. This r into 9 cr is written same. 1 half is separated, half to the power of r minus 1 we are writing. Plus 3 into, now to calculate value of this summation, I want to use this formula. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power r, that is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. Here r takes values from 0 to n, but here given 1 to 9. So to convert this into standard form, here also I am taking r is equal to 0 to 9. Write that term 9 cr, half to the power of r also written same. Because I took r is equal to 0, 9c0 half to the power of 0, that is 1. That 1 is the extra factor. So for cancellation of that 1, I took minus 1. Just added 1, subtracted 1 to convert that summation into standard form. Now let us see, this half constant is written same. So the value of this summation is, just in this identity, in place of x we have to substitute half. In place of n we have to write 9. So n means I am writing 9. 1 plus x means I am writing 1 plus 1 by 2 whole power 8. That is the first summation. Now see the value of the second summation. So the value of this summation, just in this summation, x is equal to half. Substitute x is equal to half. That can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 whole power 9. Still minus 1 is there. So instead of writing half into 9, I am writing 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 1 also I am writing. 1 plus 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 whole power 8 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 whole power 9. Still minus 1 is there. So 3 by 2 to the power of 1 into 3 by 2 to the power of 8. Bases are equal, powers are added. So 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 9. Opening this bracket, 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 9. 3 into 1 becomes minus 3. So 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 9 plus 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 9. That can be written as 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 9 minus 3. So left hand side is converted into right hand side form. Alpha into 3 by 2 whole power 9 minus beta form. So comparing with the right side, alpha becomes 6, beta becomes 3. So here alpha is 6, beta is 3. But we have to calculate alpha plus beta whole square value. So alpha plus beta whole square will become 6 plus 3 whole square. 9 square becomes 81. See now which option is the correct option? Option C is the correct option. Let us see one more PYQ on the properties of binomial coefficients. Let CR denote the coefficient of x power r in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. N belongs to capital N. If Pn is equal to C0 minus C1 plus 2 square by 3 into C2 so on minus 2 whole power n by n plus 1 Cn, then sigma r is equal to 1 to 25 1 by p to n is equal to dash. Problem was given on January 22nd 2026, shift 2. Let us see the solution. So instead of writing this total series, just I am writing with sigma notation. Pn is equal to, already had given n plus 1th term, just you write sigma for it. Sigma Cr by r plus 1, it is minus 2 whole power r. So here r takes values from 0 to n. So instead of writing the total series, for the general term I wrote sigma. For r is equal to 0, you can check, we can get the first term. For r is equal to 1, we can get the second term. For r is equal to 2, we can get the third term. For r is equal to n, we can get the last term, that is n plus 1th term. So Pn is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n Cr by r plus 1 minus 2 whole power r. Now see this identity. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n Cr by r plus 1 x power r plus 1. This can be written as 1 plus x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So I told how we can get this identity, there you can go through it. So to use that property, Cr by r plus 1 minus 2 to the power of r plus 1 we want. So multiplying both sides with minus 2. So this is minus 2 into Pn is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to n. Cr by r plus 1 is written same, multiplied with minus 2. So it becomes minus 2 to the power of r plus 1. Converted into the form Cr by r plus 1 x power r plus 1. So in that identity, just you substitute x is equal to minus 2. So it becomes minus 2 into Pn is equal to, this summation is equal to, just I am writing x is equal to minus 2 there. So it will become 1 minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1. Denominator is n plus 1. So it is 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. But in the problem, we want sigma 1 by p to n. So replace n with 2n. Minus 2 is written same, n is replaced it with 2n. Right hand side becomes minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1, minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1, minus 1. Denominator also becomes 2n plus 1. You know, 2n plus 1 is odd natural number. So minus 1 to the power of odd natural number is minus 1. Minus 1 becomes minus 2. Denominator is 2n plus 1. So this minus 2 will get cancelled from either side. Therefore I can say the value of p to n becomes 1 by 2n plus 1. So I calculated the value of p to n, that is 1 by 2n plus 1. So actually you have to calculate the value for sigma r is equal to 1 to 25 1 by p to n. This value we have to calculate. So taking the reciprocal, sigma r is equal to 1 to 25, taking reciprocal we are getting 2n plus 1. Further this can be written as 2 into sigma r is equal to 1 to 25 n plus sigma r is equal to 1 to 25 1. This first sigma representing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 25. Sum of the first 25 consecutive natural numbers n into n plus 1, that is 26 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 formula. So here summation is with respect to r takes values from 1 to 25. Sigma 1 becomes 25. This common factor 2 will get cancelled. 25 is common. That will become 26 plus 1. That is 25 into 27. See what is the value of this product? 27 multiplied with 25. 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 13. 2 into 27 is 54. 5 7 6. So the value of this product is 675. So the value of the given expression becomes 675. See now which option is the correct option. So D option is the correct option. Practice these two problems. For more videos, subscribe.